Student, today the topic I am going to discuss is classful IP addressing. Now I am going to discuss first of all what is IP addressing. IP addressing is the Internet Protocol addressing. Protocol is 32-bit long or 4-byte long. IP addressing is classified into two addressing, that is Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. Internet Protocol version 4 and 6 are connectionless protocol and used for packet switch network. Now I am going to discuss classful IP addressing in the Internet Protocol version 4. Now classful IP addressing of IPv4 address were divided into 5 classes, that is class A, class B, class C, class D and class E, where class A, B and class C are unicast addressing, class D is multicast addressing and class E reserved for future use. Class A defined the range in classful IP addressing is 0 to 127. Class B address range is defined as 128 to 191. Class C address range is considered from 192 to 223 and Class D address range considered as 224 to 239 and Class E address range considered from 240 to 255. Now, types of classes classified into network ID and host ID. As we know, IP protocol is divided into network ID and host ID. Now we classified the classes A, B, C, D and E according to the network ID and host ID. As we know, class A is divided into network ID and host ID, where 1 byte reserved for network ID and 3 byte reserved for host ID. In class B, 2 byte reserved for network ID and 2 byte reserved for host ID, where in class C, 3 byte reserved for network ID and 1 byte reserved for host ID. Class D is multicast address and class E is reserved for future use. Now, what is subnet mask? Subnet mask is the number that defines a range of IP address available within a network. Class A subnet mask is defined as 255.0.0.0, where 255 represent network ID and 0 represent host ID. Class B subnet mask is 255.255.0.0, where 255 represent network ID and 0 represent host ID, where class C subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, where 255 represent network ID and 0 represent host ID. Now what is subnetting? The next process we perform in the classful IP addressing is the subnetting. The subnetting is the practice or procedure of dividing a network into two or more networks is called subnetting. Subnetting divides the host part of IP address into subnet and host address. In this diagram, I represent that Internet Protocol address is divided into network ID and host ID. But after performing the subnetting, the IP address is subdivided into the network ID, subnet ID and host ID. Subnetting always subdivide the host ID into the subnet ID and host ID. Now, how will the subnetting is performed on the class A, B and C? For class A, we perform subnetting by dividing the host ID into the subnet ID and host ID. While in class B, 2 byte reserved for network ID and host ID is subdivided into subnet ID and host ID. While in class C, 3 byte are reserved for network ID and host ID is subdivided into the subnet ID and host ID according to the requirement. Now, dotted decimal notation. IP address is given in dotted decimal notation. A dotted decimal address is the human representation of the binary address. For example, we considered the address 192.168.10.1 is a dotted decimal address and its binary form is represented as 11000000 for 192. For 168, it represents as 10101000. For 10, the binary form address is given as 00001010, and for 1, binary address is given as 00000001. Now the next procedure I am going to discuss is the masking. Masking is the process or procedure that extracts the address of physical network from an IP address. During subnetting, masking extracts the subnetwork address from an IP address. To find subnet address, two methods are classified or given as boundary level masking and non-boundary level masking. Now first of all, what is boundary level masking? If mask number are either 255 or 0, then bytes in the IP address that correspond to 255 in the mask will be repeated in the subnet mask, and byte in the address that correspond to 0 in the mask will change to 0 in the subnet address. Now we consider the example for boundary level masking, in which we have to find the subnet address from the physical address given as 140.11.36.22, and the mask address is given as 255.255.255.0. Now the answer is 140 because 255 and 140 according to the boundary level masking will return 140. Now 11 because 255 and 11 will return the 11. 255 and 36 will return the answer 36, and according to the boundary level masking, 0 and 22 will return the value 0. Now second method we are considered in masking is non-boundary level masking. In this procedure, if the masking is not at the boundary level, the mask number are not 255 or 0 or other than 255 or 0, then to find the subnetwork address we use the bitwise AND operator. Now I am consider the example for that, in which we have to find the subnetwork address from the physical address given as 200.34.22.156, and mask address is given as 255.255.255.240. As the answer is 200, according to the boundary level masking, 255 and 200 will return 200, 255 and 34 will return 34, 255 and 22 will return 22 according to the boundary level masking. While in non-boundary level masking, the value other than 0 and 255, that is given as 240 and 156, will return the value of 144 after perform the AND operators. Thank you student for today lecture.